It's wuracity. Good afternoon. It's a beautiful day in the city of Lagos. We are here at one of the prestigious locations on the highland, Ibeju, Lekki. And we are here directly inside the Lekki Free Trade zone, where we have a wonderful opportunity for you to invest in one of the most sought after properties here, wuracity. It's actually a mixed urban city where you can walk and live at the same time. It's directly inside the Lekki Free Trade zone, and you can see the massive development going on around here. The title is Excision. The property is fully excised, and you can see some of the facilities that will be provided inside the estates. You have banks, green areas, sporting arenas,
40 acres,
banks,
48 acres of
light is
hectares of
24 hours. Yeah.
selling so fast.
You can see the gatehouse is almost done and dusted. It's almost done and dusted. You can see the perimeter fencing and the gatehouse is almost done. A good location. It's a mixed urban city where you can walk and live at the same time.